Hey there, folks. If you're watching this, you're probably ready to say goodbye to your Simplifi account. Maybe you're switching to a new budgeting app or just decluttering your digital life. Whatever the reason, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. Simplifi is a fantastic tool for managing finances, but sometimes we all need a fresh start. Don't worry, this won't take long, and I'll make it super easy to follow. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Simplifi account on a web browser or through the app. If you can't remember your password, take a quick moment to reset it. Trust me, it's worth it to avoid any hiccups. Once you're in, head over to your account settings. You can usually find this by clicking on your profile icon or navigating to the menu in the top right corner. Look for an option that says Account Settings or something similar. It's often labeled as Profile or Manage Account. In the Settings menu, scroll down until you see Delete Account or Close Account. This might be under a section for privacy or account management. Click on that, and Simplifi will likely prompt you to confirm your decision. They'll probably ask why you're leaving, so feel free to select an option or skip it if it's not required. Before you proceed, double-check that you've backed up any important data, like your transaction history or budgets. Once you confirm deletion, your account and all associated data will be permanently removed, so there's no going back. Hit that confirm button, and you'll get a final verification email or message. Follow any additional steps there, and voila, your Simplifi account is gone. The whole process should only take a couple of minutes. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below, and I'll get back to you. Stay organized and take care.